So guys, for the first step, you want to go to Google Chrome, and now once we're here, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And now you want to click on Settings. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. And now you want to click on Delete Browsing Data. You want to select Cookies and Cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both Cookies and Cache. And you want to make the time range all time. Select all time. Now you want to click on Delete from this device. For the next step, you want to go to Search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once we're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on Enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.